Hello there, sewing friends. So today we are making a basic sleeve pattern. So here in front of me I have a rectangle pattern paper that I will be using to make the pattern. Okay, so my paper will be folded in half as I make my pattern. So I made sure that the width of the paper will fit my round arm measurement, and then the length of the paper will fit the length that I want my sleeve to be. So from the shoulder down to where I want my sleeve to be, so that will be the length. Okay, so let us begin. So I'll start by marking my starting line. So this is just a line, so this is where I will start when I am marking my measurements. Okay. And then after that, I'll go on and take my armhole measurement, which comes out to be 42 centimeters. So my armhole measurement is 42 centimeters. After that, I'll come here on my paper to mark my sleeve cap length. Okay, so to do that, I'll take a quarter of my armhole measurement and use it to mark it. Okay, so my armhole measurement is the measurement that I just took now. So I'll just divide it by 4 to get the quarter of it. So 42 centimeters divided by 4, it will be 10.5 centimeters. So I'll put it down here, and then I'll go on and draw a line to represent my sleeve cap length. Okay. After that, I'll go on and take the length of my sleeve, which is 22 centimeters. So I want my sleeve to be 22 centimeters long. And now we have all the lines. So the next thing now is to go on and form the shape of the sleeve. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I'll take the armhole measurement again, but this time I will half the measurement. Okay, so my 42 centimeters, I will divide it by 2, and then I will get 21 centimeters. Okay, so I will use 21 centimeters. So I'll put my tape measure here from the corner here down to the sleeve cap height line there, and then I'll go on and mark it. So it must form this kind of a triangle shape here. So the tape measure from the corner down to there to 21 centimeters. Okay. After that, I'll go on to the bottom line, the sleeve length line, to put my round arm measurement. Okay, so I'll just take a tape measure and put it around the highest point of my arm, and then measure it. So mine is 30 centimeters. Okay, and then after getting my measurement, I'll go on and put my measurement down. But when I put my measurement, I will half my measurement. So I'll divide my 30 centimeters by 2 and then put it down. So I'm putting down 15 centimeters here. And then I'll go on and connect my sleeve. Okay, now let us come back here to this line. So remember, this is half of my armhole measurement. Okay, so what I'll do here is that I'll put my tape measure like this, and then I'll go on and half this line. Okay, so I'll just half this line, and then I'll go on and mark the half and make the half mark. Okay. And then after that, I'll go on and half the sides. So I'll start by halving this side here. So I'll put my tape measure like this. And then whatever measurement that I find here, I'll just half it. Okay. So I'll just fold my tape measure and just half the side. So I'll just put a dot up here on top, at the top of the line. Okay. And then I'll go on and half the other side. Okay, so I'll also put a tape measure just like this other side, and then just make a half mark there. Okay, and now we have 3 dots. So what I'll do now is that I'll go to the first dot and mark 1 centimeter out. okay, on top of the first dot, mark a 1 centimeter out, and then go to the last dot and mark 1 centimeter in. Okay. Now let us connect the dots. Please watch as I connect the dots. So I'll start right here from the corner and go to the first dot, to the middle dot, and to the last dot. So I'll kind of form an S shape as I connect the dots. So please watch. And now I'll go on and make a small change for the front part of the sleeve. Okay, so I'll go on to the half dot there, and measure 1 centimeter in. Okay, and then I'll go on and kind of form a new shape for the front part of the sleeve. Okay, so the front sleeve is a bit different than the back sleeve. It's got a little bit of a dip in than the back. Okay. And now let us go on and finish up the sleeve by adding hemming allowance. So I'll make my hemming allowance 2.5 centimeters, and then I'll go on the side of the sleeve and add a seam allowance there. I'll make it 1 centimeter, a 1 centimeter seam allowance. And now let us cut out the sleeve. So remember to cut the back part first, not the front part first. Okay, so the front part, we will cut it after we've cut out the back part.